Welcome to Module 4 on cash deposits. In this module, you will learn how to create, edit, and delete an unapproved cash deposit. As was mentioned at the end of Module 3, the approval of a cash deposit is generally performed by the county office. To access the cash deposit screen, we first start with the main QCC window. As we did in Module 2 with journal entries, we then select the Journals Transfers icon. In the GL application window, we select the Cash Deposits tab. Notice how the main toolbar is identical to the journal entry and cash transfer. There are only two differences to note. First, the cash deposit does not have debit-credit fields. And second, cash deposits are not generally approved by the originating district, but rather by the County Office of Ed. Other than those two differences, the functions like add, change, and delete operate identically as in journal entries that we spent so much time on in Module 2. Let's briefly review the add, change, and delete operations as they apply to cash deposits. We begin with creating a new cash deposit by selecting the add icon in the main toolbar. After filling in the header information, we add a detail line by selecting the other green add icon as I'm doing here. As we saw with journal entries, we have an input window where we can select an account by the same lookup function as I'm showing here. The main thing to note is that I'm forced to use an account that has object 9140, cash awaiting deposit. Then selecting the Save and Return icon, we have the detail line added to our cash deposit. We can now select the Save icon, and then the Process icon. The result is an unapproved cash deposit. If we want to change our unapproved cash deposit, we can select the Change icon. Here is the change screen for our unapproved cash deposit. All of the fields in white are now available for editing. Let's change the amount of our cash deposit from $10 to $15. All we have to do is double-click the $10 in the amount field. And then in the editing window, we just enter $15 instead. Now I select the Save and Return icon to return to our main GL application screen. As we did with our journal entry, we select the Save icon, then the Process icon. We now have a changed and still unapproved cash deposit. Now if we wanted to delete the unapproved cash deposits detail line, we select the Delete icon as I'm doing here. The warning window displays, and in our case, I select the Yes button to delete my cash deposits detail line. Now if I wanted to delete the cash deposit transaction itself, I can now select the Delete icon once again. This time when I select Yes, the cash deposit transaction is deleted. And so we come to the end of our core financials video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our help desk at area code 408-453, help at an extension 4357, or consult the QSS community portal for links to our TDSD created documentation as well as the QSS supplied technical docs. On behalf of the Technology and Data Services Division video, thank you for taking the time to view our video.